If you run a vehicle repair shop, you're losing leads every day, especially after hours. Customers search "brake repair near me," click your site, and bounce when nobody answers. AI video chats fixes that by responding instantly right on your website. It starts with chat or voice and can switch to video when a real conversation helps close. It qualifies every request: the vehicle, the problem, how urgent it is, and what they need. So your team stops wasting time on tire kickers and focuses on real jobs ready to book. Then it captures the name and phone number and pushes the lead to your inbox or CRM. And it routes them to the next step. Call now, text, or book an appointment 24/7. The result? Faster response times, more scheduled work, and more cars in the bay. Ready to stop missing calls and start booking more jobs? Get AI video chats installed today.